Edo target the status of African sport hub. Redi Gidigba to invest on sports Deve. Edo state government don talk say the administration dey committed to the development of sports for the state. Come reassure say the government go sustain investment for the sector to restore the lost glory of Edo state and place am as sport hub for Africa. Edo State Deputy Governor Right Honourable Comrade Philip Shaibu talk this one when he dey address stakeholders for the one-day workshop on sports development for Government House. He said the government dey committed to change the sports narrative for the state.
It is with great delight that I welcome all our invited guests, participants, and relevant stakeholders to this all-important one-day workshop on sport development in Edo State. Since the creation of Edo State on the 27th of August 1991, successive administrations have not given sports sector the priority that it deserves. However, the advent of this present administration under the visionary leadership of Mr. Govunor Obaseki has changed the narrative with strategic policy initiatives. Government has committed huge funds in rebuilding major infrastructure that will enhance sport development in our state. For us as a government, permit me to reiterate our commitment towards returning sport to the native land. Edo is a hub and the native land of sporting excellence in Nigeria. The massive renovation of Samuel Ogbomoja Stadium and rebuilding and restructuring of the Samuel Ogbomoja Stadium into an international standard with the state-of-the-art facility, as well as the construction of 20 mini stadia across the 18 local government areas in the 3 senatorial districts of Edo State is a testimony to the fact that this administration means business and is ready to return sport to Edo, the native land, and to create an enabling environment for private sector to come as a player to drive this sector. At this juncture, it is also instructive to know that we have rebranded the 2 state-sponsored male and female football teams, Bender Insurance, Edo Queen Football Club, respectively. At the moment, Edo State can boast of having a brand new gymnasium with the latest equipment for all indoor sporting activities in Nigeria and the whole Black Africa. On a general note, the sports sector is capable of generating employment for our teeming youth as well as creating livelihood for the citizens. Finally, permit me to say that together we can synergize and provide mutual support to make Edo State great again as we return to the golden era of sporting excellence.
Oga Deputy say the sports sector with the right policies by government and support from the private sector, they capable to generate employment for youths and also create better livelihoods for Edo people. This one na the ogbonge informate wey TMC TV carry come give una on top the cocoa for today. My name na Chidima Anichukwu from Benin.